Good morning, everyone. Grade 8, lesson number 5. Last lectures we have done reading part. Now I'm going to start exercise 1. Conjugale verb or passé composé. So see the page number 81, everyone. Page number 81. Okay. And we will do the exercise passé composé. I already told you have to learn the two verbs. One is être and one is avoir. So firstly you have to see the page number 76 once. Conjugation is given with être verb. See the reveille verb, sa reveille, okay, and sa repose. These two verbs are given three sa couche, okay. So see these verb and all the conjugation is these three verbs conjugated with être verb, and same we have to do exercise 1 first verb abiye verb, okay. Sabiye pour la soirée, this is the first one question, and meaning is to get dressed for the evening party. To get dressed for the evening party. The first one is sabiye pour la soirée is je me suis habillé pour la soirée, okay. Je me suis habillé, okay. H is silent, then sound go. We will see the first word is A. Say habillé sound pour la soirée. Je me suis habillé pour la soirée. Then second, tu t'es habillé pour la soirée. Okay. Je me suis habillé pour la soirée is I got dressed for the evening. Okay. Then second one is tu t'es habillé pour la soirée. You got dressed for the evening. He got dressed for the evening. She got dressed for the evening. Like this, you have to do. Il s'est habillé pour la soirée. Then elle s'est habillée pour la soirée. We have to see the L if the sentence is feminine. So double E will come. HABI double E will come. Okay. Then these first four steps are singular form. When we go with plural form, nous sommes habillés pour la soirée. We got dressed for the evening. But we have to see with the RBA HABILLES will come, single E and S will come because this is not a feminine form. Okay, same with vous RBA plural form S will come. Okay, again ils se sont habillés pour la soirée, again masculine form, okay, but it's plural so S will come. See the eighth part, elles se sont habillées pour la soirée, okay. Elles se sont habillées, this is the feminine form plus plural form, so that's why double E and S will come, okay. So don't forget when the plural will come, okay, we will add S, okay. So nous sommes habillés pour la soirée means we got dressed. Then vous êtes habillé pour la soirée, okay. So you got dressed for the evening, so meaning is this. So don't forget singular forms and plural forms. Then same meaning will become with this one. They, ils, it means they, and elles, it means they. These are the plural forms. Same meaning. There will be no change. Okay. Then got the dress for the evening party. Then B part. Se reposer is the verb, and this is the past participle is repose with accent aigu. Okay. The first one is je me suis reposé pendant la pause. I rested during the break. Okay. Meaning is se reposer pendant la pause. Pendant la pause is during the rest. Okay. So first one is with je me suis reposé pendant la pause. Second one, tu t'es reposé pendant la pause. Okay, I rested during the break. Third part, il s'est reposé pendant la pause. He rested during the break. Elle s'est reposée pendant la pause. Okay, like this you have to conjugate. Same conjugation will be there, only the verb past participle will change and rest of the sentence will be same. There will be no change. Conjugation will be with adverb. Okay, adverb will be help to conjugate this one. And firstly then see the C part. Okay, first two I have done, rest of the parts C, D, E, F, all four you have to do. There will be no change, only we will change the past participle of the verb. Okay, and the rest of the sentence will be same. There will be no change. Same je me suis, same tu te, same il se, same elle se, same nous sommes, same vous êtes. Okay, same il say son, same elle say son. These conjugation will be same. There will be no change, only you will change the past participle of the verbs. Like C part se réveiller is, this will be changed. Je me suis réveillé tout, I woke up early. Okay, then tu t'es réveillé tout, you woke up early, same. Then D part se soigner. Okay, je me suis soigné, I treated myself. Okay, tu t'es soigné, you treated yourself. Okay, he treated himself, she treated herself. So this is the conjugation of the verb. Okay, same moving will be there. Then se part. Okay, asiye sur la chaise. Okay, sit on the chair. Okay, so meaning is to sit. This is the second form. Okay, past form. So set will come. So je suis assis sur la chaise. Okay, so I sat down on the chair. Then same moving will be there. Tu, il, elle, then plural form start. Nous, vous, il avec s, elle avec s. Okay, same ils or elles, this will come. So again F part is se brosser les dents. Okay, to brush the teeth. Okay, je me suis brossé les dents, I brushed my teeth. Okay, tu t'es brossé les dents, you brush your teeth. Like this you have to do this one. Same je me suis, tu t'es. Okay, il se, elle se, nous sommes, vous êtes. Okay, il se sont, elle se sont. Same moving will be there, only you have to change the past participle. Okay, so this is your first exercise. You have to learn and write these all 6 verbs, right? And write carefully, don't do mistakes. Okay, and this book should be, this exercise 1 should be complete, page number 81. Okay, and learn both verbs at and avoir. Again and again I'm saying learn at and avoir verb. Okay, I told you, see the back, all the verbs are given, back pages, page number I told you earlier 151, 151. At and avoir verb, present form you have to learn only firstly. Okay, because we will conjugate passé composé with the être verb présent and avoir verb present forms. So learn these two verbs carefully and do the all parts A, B, C, D, E, F. All 6 parts you have to do. Okay, and write down in your book and write and learn all these 6 verbs. Okay, this is your homework also. And take care. Next lecture we will do other exercises. Thank you.